Hey guys, this is me once again, and today I'm going to be roasting an episode called Pedro's Off. Another episode from Peppa Pig. Enjoy the roast.
It is a school day. Peppa and her friends are having
We know, narrator, stop saying the freaking obvious.
Miss Polly had a doll.
Pedro has coronavirus. Pedro has COVID-19.
Pedro has a cough.
I hope Pedro dies soon.
I'll ring Dr. Brown.
Oh no. It's Dr. Brown Bear's annoying phone ringing. My God. And also, Madame Dazelle has a terrible singing voice. My God. And that ambulance isn't even a real ambulance. What Dr. Brown Bear's driving is basically a Hoy ambulance. Even the siren sounds Hoyish.
I've got a cough.
More like Pedro has
Is it a
COVID-19.
cough or a chesty cough?
I don't know, but it goes like this.
Pedro has coronavirus.
When Madame Gazelle started singing,
And we all know that Madame Dazelle is a terrible sinner.
May be catching.
Of course, it's coronavirus. What would you
When
expect?
one person has a cough, sometimes other people get that cough too.
Yeah, it's basically COVID. It's COVID-19.
I'm afraid it doesn't taste very nice.
tastes like an old shoe full of jam.
Ew, an oat soup of jam. That's basically what Peppa eats. Susie the polar bear and Danny the hat have the coronavirus.
Caught Pedro's cough.
Or more like coronavirus.
Wide.
Tastes of carpet flavored
Ew,
yogurt.
heartbreak flavored yogurt.
Tastes of flowers.
Well,
Flowers doesn't taste bad at
Do
all.
you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear?
No, Peppa, I'm never ill. I eat an apple a day.
We all know an apple day keeps the doctor away, blah, 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 blah.
It is home time, and the children's parents are here to pick them up.
Mommy, Daddy, I've got a cough.
More like Pedro stop, they got the coronavirus. They have COVID-19.
Medicine. Madame Gazelle.
I hope
have you seen
Susie
the
Sheep, Danny Dog, and
Miss Polly had a dolly who was.
Pedro's cough.
they all have coronavirus. They all have COVID-19. Mandazel's terrible singing got even worse.
I'm on my way.
Not the Hoy ambulance again. My God. God.
Hello, everyone. Caught Pedro's cough, have we?
Everybody's got COVID-19.
Stand in
No
line.
wonder there's a pandemic going on. They deserve it. Except for Daddy Pig, which I feel bad for. Come on! Peppa, why do you and your friends have to laugh over every hateful thing I say? Peppa,
Looks after me.
can't you hate something serious for once? Dr. Brown Bear is a liar. He says he's never that sick.
Goodbye.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. What a lie. My God.
And there's no one to look after him.
Oh. Just as I figured, Dr. Brown Bear has that coronavirus.
Who can that be?
Hello. We've come to look after you. Here's some fruit.
Danny's barking is annoying. Oh no, here's the Arthur knocked off.
Yeah. It tastes like jammy yogurt-flavored custard socks.
Ew, that's what Peppa eats.
To make you feel better.
Peppa eats socks and shoes. Ew. God. This has to be one of the worst Peppa Pig episodes ever. Oh my God. Pedro's cough? More like Pedro's coronavirus. Oh my God. So, oh my God. Here are the reasons why it sucks. Number one, as always, the narrator states the freaking obvious. Number 2, Pedro has a so-called cough. Yet, Pedro is actually having COVID-19 symptoms, like fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Pedro deserves it. And so do Susie the polar bear and Danny the hat. Susie is in the seat, and Danny is in the hat. They look nothing like a dot in the seat. My God. And number 3, Dr. Brown Bear is a liar. He says in Apple they let the doctor away. What a lie. So basically, Dr. Brown Bear got sick. Says that, oh my God. Dr. Brown Bear is a liar. And also, his phone ringing is annoying. And so is his whole hospital ambulance. My God, it looks more like a toy ambulance. Complete with the toy siren and all that crap. My God. And Dr. Brown Bear says that Pedro's cough seems to be sprouting. Of course, it's the COVID-19. Won't you expect, Dr. Brown Bear? Oh my God. This has to be one of the worst episodes ever. I'm going to be roasting another Peppa Pig episode soon, so stay tuned.